We have arrived at beautiful Red Rock overlook, and I'm going to show you this spectacular view.
Somebody's picked it up.
I'm sure you'll agree. Beautiful out here. We've got some really good footage with the Hover X1 drone there. A little bit of a breeze going on. But it's just so beautiful around here. I could spend all day just sitting at that table and enjoying the scene. Many times sitting at this table here, enjoying the fabulous view and having a drink. And looking over Red Rock Canyon. We're using the Pocket 3 today. Beautiful areas for you guys sitting at home to enjoy today. So there's so much more to Las Vegas. You can come out and see all this stunning scenery. So in a minute what we're going to do is we're going to head out to the scenic drive, and that's going to go all the way around the valley. Join us for that video and I'm sure you're going to love it. I think now time for just another chill out and take in this breathtaking scenery. Just completed the 13-mile scenic loop line, and Glenn will be doing a separate video on that for you guys soon. We're now going to head to the visitor centre. and see if we can see the desert tortoise. Come on with us. And check out these stars and stripes flying proudly this morning. Really love the visitor centre here at Red Rock Canyon, and you'll soon see why. And you wouldn't want to touch the cactus there, very prickly and spiky. We've got the shop to the left. Always love to have a look in there. Really busy in here today. But my most favourite part is the window over here. Now they're actually doing some acrylic painting today. And I'm guessing what they're going to be doing is you could be able to sit here and then paint the wonderful rocks there. And throughout Red Rock Canyon you will see where the Native Americans have left the rock art throughout Red Rock Canyon, and these are just examples of what you'll see. But that just blows me away every time I come to Red Rock Canyon. Absolutely love it. I've got here a golden eagle. Length is 27.6 inches, wingspan 72.8 inches, and weight 105 ounces, 3,000 grams. And it's fast and manoeuvrable. And then we've got here a great horned owl. Powerful predator, can take down birds and mammals larger than itself. And here we've got a bald eagle. And these are just awesome. Bald eagles can live up to 28 years in the wild, 36 years in captivity. And the length is 28 inches, wingspan 204 centimeters, and the speed 75 to 99 miles per hour. We're now in the outside museum area, and absolutely love walking through here and just looking at the desert shrubbery, and it's a wow. There's so much to look at here, so telling you there about the desert washes. And you could spend a long time just reading all the information. So here, 40 major water sources in Red Rock Canyon provide habitat for tiny spring snails. It's such a beautiful day. Lovely temperature, barely any wind. And everywhere lots of information that you can just read all about the local area. And this is a lovely information area. So we've got Diamond Hill out towards this way, Red Rock Overlook, which is where we were before, Pine Creek Canyon. That's got a 3-mile trail that you can head to there. Red Rock Wash and Overlook. So you can see all the desert floor carved by flash floods racing through this area. Icebox Canyon has got a 2.6 mile trail right over there. And I do find this interesting, Spring Mountain, or the Spring Mountains that you can see there. So Mount Wilson, 7,000 feet. Rainbow Mountain, 6,801. Bridge Mountain, 6,995. And we've got Willow Springs, Lost Creek Canyon, High Point Overlook, Turtlehead Peak, and the Calico Hills, all the rock formations there. And the elevation actually over the sandstone is 6,323 feet. Calico 2 Basin, Calico 1 Basin. I'll just show you again there where we've just walked around. And this is home to the desert tortoise, but I guess they're in the burrows at this time now. And again, more information on the desert air, the drying winds, and how the desert air cools, dries and lifts all those who fly. And this is the desert extremes area. Through hot and cold, people have flourished here for 10,000 years. I still can't see any of the desert tortoise. They're all going to be in the burrows, so it looks as though we can see one.
Sleeping right there.
So there is one desert tortoise here, just in the corner there in the shade.
Oh, there, yeah.
I really like this part. So in Red Rock Canyon, 500 million years ago, sharp layers of cliffs tell you the geological changes. Oceans, rivers, desert sands, and shifting slabs of rock have shaped and reshaped southern Nevada. And it's the Keystone Thrust. It says there, can you find the fault? So the fault is pushing all the rocks and mountains up there. And you can learn here all about the tortoises and the predators. We're now in the shop here at the Red Rock Visitor Centre. There's so much to look at and possibly buy. Lots of hats. Some great t-shirts. And if you like pottery, beautiful pottery. Well, I've really enjoyed walking through Red Rock Visitor Centre, and I hope you guys have too. Thanks for coming along.